Hello everyone, this is Rocky. Thank you so much for joining my channel. So today is going to be a vlog. Whenever you see me starting these awkward positions, that's what that means. But I thought I'd bring you along today because I have a bit of a peculiar schedule for today. I took the day off, which ended up being like just half a day off, duty calls. But I am rushing off to a doctor's appointment. And the reason why, if you guys watch my New York vlogs, I took a work trip to New York and I was there for a full week, and that vlog spanned over like 3 different vlogs. But anyway, in that time I had an emergency happen where my forward helix piercing split and I didn't feel it. It just literally just fell out and it split. So research online says that it's very rare that the cartilage can heal itself, so you will have to see a plastic surgeon. Took some time off just so I can go in and get a consultation. I'm not 100% sure if surgery is going to be required because I did keep it bandaged up and filled and like covered, slathered in Neosporin, and it feels as if it doesn't bother me anymore. It used to hurt and it used to bother me. So that said, I feel like, so I didn't finish my thought. So I'm not overly convinced that I need anything done to my ear, so I'm just going just to be sure. Fast forward to now. I've already gone into the plastic surgeon's office, and she took a look at it, and she honestly said, like, I'm there too early. She said now the only way that, like, if she would have done something now is if I was still in pain and there was just like some keloid action happening, or bleeding pain. It's just like something is really, really abnormal, and at the moment nothing is abnormal is happening. So she said just give it. She says too early, so come back and see her in 4 months. If it's overlapping or bumping or bubbling or anything weird happening, go for it. But she said how I had it, just kind of bandaged up and taking care of it, was good. It just allowed the body to do something and start to heal it. So good, yay me. So I was really, really anxious about having to have an in-office procedure anyway. I faint very easily I almost fainted when this happened, and there was no pain and no blood. Just the fact that it happened made me faint and sick. So I was really anxious about that. So anyway, so since that was so quick and I paid for an hour and 15 minutes on the meter, I decided to go and find myself a nice little drink and a pastry. I'm gonna try this place called Fab Cakes, and it's supposed to be really close to where I am now. So I'm taking a walk now.
Turn right onto North Wells Street.
I am in what's called the River North area of downtown Chicago, and I don't know if any of this looks interesting or familiar, but anyway, I'm about to go get my snack. So my snack, lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call it, was pretty decadent, so I decided to go for a walk across downtown to get my steps in, and I'm wearing a slip dress. I'll show you my outfit of the day, but I'm pretty sure I have a pouch right now, so I want to walk and try to get it to go down. So I stopped at Trader Joe's to get a few things, and not healthy things. So what I want to do is, on the way back to my car, there are a few cool buildings on my walk that I want to show you. So enjoy. I am moist. It is hot outside. So I got the AC on in here. You can see it better now. Like, look how sweaty I am. but it's so super bright outside. So that said, anyway, you saw some of the buildings and stuff like that. Some of them are older buildings that have been turned into something else. And but anyway, took a nice little walk to kind of walk off this pastry that I just ate, and then I picked up some goodies from Trader Joe's. I'm going to spare you the things that I got from Trader Joe's. Not everybody's interested in that stuff like I am. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to do one more stop. I don't want hubby to miss me too much. I'm going to make one. You probably don't even notice that I'm gone. But I'm going to make one more stop. I think I'm going to go to H&M. There's a midi skirt that I've been eyeballing that has like these wonderful little slits on the side. And I think that'll be perfect for spring, summer, fall. So I'm going to go ahead and check and see if they have that. And then otherwise, I did place this morning, first thing this morning, I did place this order from The Gap. The Gap was having an additional 60% off clearance. Ann Taylor Loft has an additional 50% off clearance. Anthropologie has an additional 40% off clearance. Madewell has an additional 40% off clearance. Right now, Nordstrom Rack has the Clear the Rack sale, so an extra 25% off clearance. Who else got sales? You still got the Nordstrom anniversary sale up through August 1st. Again, I don't think it's worth going, but you know, to each their own. So if you're interested in the sale that's going on, then they also have at Nordstrom a designer sale. I haven't checked that one out yet. That just came into my inbox this morning. So I'm going to check and see if there's anything there that I've been eyeballing that I need to pick up. Otherwise, so yeah, H&M, and I think I'm going to head home later on tonight. My husband and I are supposed to be trying this restaurant that's new to us, but it's not new, called Fancy Plants. And Fancy Plants is a vegetarian restaurant, and I've heard all kinds of rave reviews about their, quote, fried chicken sandwich. And it's better than, all these other vegetarian ones that are so popular. So we'll see if they have that. And I'm just really excited to try it. They're only open for dinner. So let's get into it. Oh, I didn't tell you about my outfit of the day. So my outfit of the day, I'm just going to cut away and show you what I posted on my OOTD shorts. And then you'll be able to see the outfit of the day. Outfit of the day is a slip dress from Anthropologie. It has all of these strategically placed sheer straps and spots, and I really like it, but I'm considering putting shorts underneath to kind of make it a little bit more demure. I don't know. The back is open and it goes down pretty far, so I'm just trying to think of what I need to do. I did decide to put on a bralette underneath for just a little bit more coverage, but I absolutely love these details up close. I have on a initial necklace from U7 Jewelry that has R on it, Fitbit watch, regular rings, regular piercings, hair up in a ponytail because the weather here is in the 90s in Chicago, so I'm staying cool. And that's today's outfit of the day. I didn't find the skirt that I was looking for. It was a midi skirt, but I do want to try this one on for fun. What do we think? Looks super short, but I'm just curious to see how this trend works. It's like super mini. What do you need to do to like make this work? I do already have on some mini shorts underneath this dress. I'm gonna keep that on when I try this on just to see how does this work out. All I'm gonna say is OMG, way too small. Well, just probably picked up the wrong size, but I can't imagine that you can move too much and not show, but maybe you can. This just isn't for me, I suppose, but Okay, so I was wrong. Loft has an additional 60% off sale and an additional 70% off final sale. So I picked up a couple bits. One is a gift for somebody, and then two things that I'm going to try on for myself. I do find that the things here have a mature cut, so you do have to like size. For me, I have to size down because I'm petite, but I will see. Ooh, I'm just looking at the shape in this dress. Look at this. Hold on. Bam. Anyway, I'm gonna try these on. Well, these are a nice pair of casual shorts. I do have on another pair of shorts underneath. See that black? And I don't see like bulging, which means that the fit is pretty relaxed. I think I like these, and I forget how much this costs. I think it will be with this one is final sale, so I had to try it on. So this will be $12. So I don't think that's awful. But anyway, next thing. Okay. I think this dress is also going to be $12. I really like that. It looks a little big, but I'm going to belt it. So if you could imagine this being pulled in, I'm imagining it with one of my bigger logo belts, like my Valentino belt or something like that. I'm also thinking about picking up another Ferragamo belt. I have like 3 already, but another one that's like white, and then on the other side it's like a light turquoise color, and then that will probably prompt me to sell my Coach belt that's a light blue. But I think this is a good one for the price. There is a lining underneath, so I don't need anything under. See that? And I would belt this. So for $12, I don't think it's bad. It feels nice on. It's very age appropriate, and for like an event where you need to be modest, I think this is good, and it's still feminine. I'm just Good morning. So dinner was great. We tried, like you saw, fancy plants. I didn't get to talk to you about that, but you saw it. It looked good. It was delicious. The service was a bit slow, but I'd certainly go back because, speaking my language, of course. It was, my husband mentioned, he said it has to feel great to just be able to try everything that comes out, because you don't have to be afraid that meat might be in one of these dishes. And I was like, yeah, actually didn't even think about that. So like, he got something, he said, want to try it? And I'm like, yeah. So, like normally I have to be like, what's in it, da 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 da, all that stuff, and be all super careful so I won't get ill. But it was cool. I'm headed to Zumba. See my Zumba outfit. And that's I think pretty much about it. I'm rushing off. I can hear the music. They've already started. I'm always late. They say people who are late are just optimistic. You just feel like you can do more with less time. So I'm gonna run with that. Ooh, they're playing my jam. Gotta go. So just ended Zumba class and decided to do a walk. It was tough because I had no energy whatsoever. But enjoyed it. I needed to get out. It rained on us, but we survived. Anyway, I have to do a post office run, and I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna get into something else a little later. Are we doing dinner? Okay, we doing dinner. My husband has had enough of me vlogging, so he's not. So we'll see what we get into. Okay, as you can see here, got caught in the rain and had to jog a good portion of the walk back. I'm tired. I feel like, I'm not sure if I'm going to end this here. I don't have anything compelling to show you or talk to you about. I was considering going out to shop a couple of sales that are going on, but I'm tired. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and spend time editing this film. But if I do come back on, you know what happened. I changed my mind. Talk to you later. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap the video here. So I've gotten dressed for the day. You guys saw this dress yesterday. Let me get a little closer because I don't think I showed you the print yesterday. These are like little flowers or something. What are these flowers? Yeah, they're flowers. And that's the print on here. And you didn't get to see this like little eyelet design, which is really cute. And then the little ruffle detail here. But yeah, so I am dressed. I was super excited to try this dress out, and I popped it on with the, like I said, the Valentino belt that I was telling you about. I think it works perfectly with this black and white and with a little gold to break it up. I decided to pair it with this Jaguar necklace from Adornia, which I think is just stunning. The stones, how it just kind of reflects and has little green eyeballs, and it's super affordable. So if you go to adornia.com, a lot of cute little necklaces and things. And then these slides are from the brand Born. They are I don't know, this looks like my feet are geriatric, but I swear to you they are not. But it's from the brand Born, and it's super comfortable. It's like walking on a cloud. But I also like these because the gold hardware on here goes really well with the belt buckle. And I put my hair up into little puffs or balls or whatever. I still have it in twists, but I just wanted to style it up a little bit differently. So yeah, that's today's outfit of the day, and I am loving, I just love this little eyelet detail. I keep looking at it, but that's the outfit of the day. I think I'm going to end it here. Hubby and I may go out to dinner a little bit later, but I'm going to spare you. I feel like you've heard enough of my voice for today. You've been watching me enough for today, and we'll save a little bit for another time. But that's today's outfit of the day, and I am happy, feeling good, I smell good. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and listen, share it with your friends, because my thought is if you like it, they like it too. Bye.